I mean, uh, hey you everyone, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so I've seen Melody gave us a song like a couple days ago, and it is called Apagón. Apagón. This is her official music video, so I'm guessing this is her official single. All right, and I'm excited to check this one out because apart from her losing on the Eurovision contest, it's such a sad thing that she lost because her vibe, her energy, it's top notch. Her music, her performance, everything, it's top notch. And my apologies that she has lost in the Eurovision contest, and she deserves a second chance, and I hope she pursue her musical career to further and further heights. And I'm happy that she came out and gave us this song on her own. So with this being said, let's hear what Melody have in this music video right now. Peace. El Apagón.
No, no lo vi venir. Me creí especialista y era.
Okay, so she hasn't lost her melody. She hasn't lost her skill. She hasn't lost anything. I guess she's going hard in this video, in this song. Okay, let's find out more because this is getting interesting. Oh, hi. Oh my. Wow. Her smile is golden. Her energy is top notch. The reason why I'm a big fan of her music, right? Because of what she delivers a lot about. All right, her delivery is superb. Her voice is something that you can sit, you can listen, you can feel alive, you can feel well. Because her voice gives you that happiness that everyone so desires these days. And her music is so good. Her music is golden, bro. Like, I never stop listening to her music, and surprisingly, I've encountered a song that I would love to hear differently, apart from Essa Diva. Okay, so let's. Hey, who else is feeling this music? Who else is feeling this music? Who else is having a good time? Because definitely, I am having a good time. I'm having a good time watching the vibe, watching the music flows, watching the music dominates. Bro, I ain't gonna lie. You see, Melody, one of my favorite songs by her is Essa Diva, and that song is gold, bro. And this song is catching up to be gold because the song is such a great inspirational music. Alright? It gives you the chills to move forward in life, bro. Like, her music, bro. She's a great artist. I ain't gonna lie. Oh, wow, that flashback look like this? That's sexy, bro. And the change of tempo in the music, that's awesome. I told you guys that this woman, her musical style is different. The way how she does her music, the way how she crafts her music, everything is just different. And the difference about this woman is that she's peculiar in everything she does. Alright, and I'm very proud to be a fan of her music, I ain't gonna lie. Oh wow! Rap rap! Superb music melody. Superb energy melody. When I listen to her music, I do not just get the energy or the vibe. I do get a level of understanding because what she displayed, what she gives the fans, what she gives the listeners is always something different to understand. It's always something different to feel because her music is full of life. Her music is just a lifelong lasting music. It will not fade, not one time in life, bro. She do music that will never fade. Alright? And the people who listen to her music in her country, guess me, trust me, you guys have a very good song to listen to. And I'm a Jamaican and I'm feeling her music away over here. Okay, so is her dress code a part of the country? The thing that she has over her head? I mean, like, if that is a part of the country, that seems really cool, respect, manners and respect to this type of dressing. I do not really have those in my country, Jamaica, but to see this, it's an honorable respect to give you guys. Alright, and their music is just fine. Oh, damn. That outfit that outfit is a solid 100 out of a 100%. 10 out of 10. Solid. Solid. That is solid. That outfit is solid. That suits her very well. I am not gonna lie. That suits her very well. Compassionately. That suits her. And I can tell that she's not bored. She's not boring, bro. If you are sitting around this woman, as though she's an artist, you'll get a lot of vibe. You'll get a lot of, happy spirit. You'll be freely spirited with happiness. Because that's the vibe I'm getting from her music. A lot of happiness. Alright? She's disclosing a lot of happiness here. Amazing, bro. Amazing. Amazing. What's up with the cage though? Alright? What is she signifying in the cage? Regardless, I love it. I love it. It's something excellent to look at. I ain't gonna lie. Wow, that was good. That was good. Melody, your song is totally amazing. Your performance was lit. I gotta say, very, very impressive song. Very, very impressive motion. Everything you've done was literally outstanding. The video is clean. The dances is amazing. Your song is perfect. Your look is top notch solid 10. Everything is just a complete package what a music video requires. If you guys agreed with my thought, then feel free to comment. Feel free to leave your thoughts in the comment section. It will be my pleasure to read the comments and to be happy. So I'll see you guys in another video.